Papua New Guinea was shaken near Lae, Morobe Province, by an earthquake of magnitude 5.7 only 25 minutes ago, the United States Geological Survey reported. The quake hit at an intermediate depth of 101.9 kilometers beneath the epicenter near Lae, Morobe Province, Papua New Guinea, late at night on Saturday, February 4, 2023, at 10:22 p.m. local time. The strength of the earthquake may have been tempered by its relative great depth below the surface, which makes it feel weaker in absolute terms. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Our monitoring service identified a second report from the Incorporated Research Institutions for Seismology, IRIS, which listed the quake at magnitude 5.7 as well. Other agencies reporting the same quake include Geoscience Australia, GeoAu, at magnitude 6.0,